Energy food.
Sugar.
Yeah, too much sugar.
Too much sugar. Charing.
That's why.
That's why.
So,
Love kami ng coach namin.
so if they want eat, okay, happy. So do best. I'm also happy.
May kwento po kasi dyan eh. Noong una talaga, parang somehow, ayaw niya yung culture nga namin na pag training or game, kumakain kami. Ngayon, siguro, na-adapt na niya yung culture na Pilipino tayo eh. We love food, guys. Alam naman natin yan. So, yun. Tapos nagulat din kami. Nagdala na siya ng, ng pagkain, ng donut, ng kung ano man, pag binibigay. So, sabi namin, uy, parang ilang percent Pilipino na rin si Coach. Kumbaga, parang siya rin, nalalove na niya yung culture na meron tayo. Pero, yun nga, naman eh, parang tayo kasi, di ba, nakagawian na natin na kumain or mag-share ng food. So siya rin, somehow, na-adapt na niya yung ganong mindset and also yung culture na Pinoy.
We have a nutritious food seria that people get because everyone know eat chocolate, donut, hamburger, anything. But this is not nutritious food, energy food. So asked this the lecture. So now stopped.